Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for watching to this presentation and honored to meet you here. Okay, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Davin Rahman. My student number 201705021117, and my partner is.
Hello my friends, my name is Angela and my student number is 2920502055.
Hello, my name is Aulia Vinka Dinda Pratiwi. Student number is 2020-0502-184.
Hello, my friend. My name is Muhammad Ronald Hakim. Student my number 200-502-192.
We are from Group 4. The purpose of this presentation is to deliver with the theme Influence of Service, Quality and Promotion on vacation buying McDonald's during the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, without lingering to the first material that will be delivered by my partner Angelia.
Hello my friend, my name is Angela and my student number is 2019-0502-2055. Slide 1. Background McDonald. McDonald's is the largest fast food restaurant in the world, which started in 1955 in California, United States. With a superior product in the form of a burger called Big Mac, McDonald's until now has thousands of restaurants spread in more than 100 countries. One of them is Indonesia. McDonald's first entered Indonesia in 1991 by opening its first restaurant in Sarinah, Tamrin. In 2009, PT Rexo National Food R&V, which international property company MIPCO, which grant permission to operate all restaurants with the McDonald's brand and open new restaurant high throughout Indonesia. Until now, PT R&V has opened more than 200 McDonald's outlets spread across various cities in Indonesia, supported by more than 1,400 employees throughout Indonesia. PT R&V throughout McDonald's Indonesia has always been fully committed to providing the best service for customers, presenting the leading quality of food, and providing great benefit for the people of Indonesia. Slide 2. Formulation of the problem. Based on above background, the research tried to formulate problems as follows. Number 1. How does hedonic value affect customer certification on McDonald's fast food restaurant in Padang City? Number 2. How does utilitarian value affect customer certification in McDonald's fast food restaurant in Padang City? Number 3. How does hedonic value affect behavioral intentions in restaurant fast food McDonald's in Padang City? Number 4. How do utilitarian values influence behavioral intention in restaurant fast food McDonald's in Padang City? Number 5. How does customer certification affect behavioral intentions on McDonald's fast food restaurant in Padang City? And the last number 6. How is the influence of hedonic values on a behavioral intention mediated by customer verification?
Okay, I wanted to explain about objective. As you can see at the screen, we have 3 points. The first one, marketing. Marketing is a transaction activity between sellers and buyers where this is mutually beneficial. Marketing doesn't only focus on buying and selling products or services, but also on activities to meet the needs and expectation of customers by offering, creating, and exchanging products of value so that they can influence consumers to buy the products and services offered by the company. This is very important for companies, especially marketing managers, in understanding customers' behavior so that managers can identify opportunities, identify and determine market segments appropriately. properly. With this, companies can also develop, set prices, promote, and distribute products better. Number two, service quality. Service quality is an important thing that companies must have in offering products or services because with the quality of service to customers, companies can assess the performance that has been achieved. Service quality is a comparison between reality and customers' expectations. If the reality obtained exceeds what is desired, then the service is of higher quality. Otherwise, if the reality reserve isn't as desired, then the service isn't of good quality. Quality in service depends on a person's ability to provide service to meet customers' expectations. The quality of service in the quality of service in question is that the company makes every effort to provide the best quality service to permanent customers or non-permanent customers with attitudes and behavior as well as manners in talking between customer service and consumers. Responding quickly to customers' complaints if it's found that product quality isn't good by replace good products, provide discount prices or special prices for regular consumers who have a sales quota of more than the specific target. Number three will explain to Davin.
Promotion and bioeducation. Promotion is all form of communication effort used to inform, persuade, and remind the target market about the product produced by organization, individuals, or household. Promotion is also an activity carried out by the company in communicating the advantage of a product or service and influencing consumer to buy it. The decision to buy is an activity in the process of causing two or more alternative buying decisions, which means that consumer can make decisions that exist a number of selection choice. Consumer processing decisions are usually influenced by customer behavior. Consumers usually do the system or step when making decisions when buying a product. In this case, the reason our group took this name was to find out the quality of service and promotion of location at McDonald's during the COVID-19 pandemic. Judge from the problem statement states above that consumers consider that during the COVID-19 pandemic, the main focus in purchasing indication is the quality of service, where the service provided by McDonald's employees look very good, because employees who work very skillfully and deftly serve consumer are friendly and courteous to consumer. Always adhere to health protocol, be always wearing a mask, checking the consumer body temperature, keeping the distancing from the consumer's seat so that the service felt is in according with consumer expansion and can be well received by consumer.
I will read my part suggestion. The world is currently experiencing the COVID-19 pandemic. This virus came from the country of Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. This virus spread very quickly and has spread to other areas in China and several countries including Indonesia. Indonesia is one of the countries infected with the COVID-19 virus, which is increasing. The coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic not only threatens health, which can threaten human life at any time, but also has a negative impact on the economic, social, and political sector. The COVID-19 pandemic has also caused people's purchasing power to decline. Almost all sectors affected by COVID-19 and the economy sector have experienced a fairly serious impact, including franchise business such as fast food. Based on the pilot study that has been conducted by researchers to 30 respondents within normal limits, visitors are not allowed to enter. This is done not only to reduce the growth of customers but to maximize service by providing a sense of comfort when customers make purchases. Based on the result of the pilot study, the majority of 30 respondents chose the quality of service and promotion that could influence purchasing decision. The result of research from Widodo 2016 state that service quality has a significant effect on purchasing decision. If the quality of service provided by employers is getting better, the level of purchasing decision will be higher. This pandemic has caused many people not to leave their homes or spend time at home. McDonald's is strengthening sales promotion by imposing price discount for purchases via Gojek, Grab, or the McDonald's delivery order service itself.
Conceptual framework. McDonald's congratulations on the COVID-19 pandemic, resulting in consumer confidence crisis in McDonald's, then change in consumer behavior during the pandemic, McDonald's service and promotion during the pandemic, thus making McDonald's buying decision.
Next, I will read my part conclusion. Based on the result of research that has been carried out and the explanation of the research relate to the influence of service quality and promotion of purchasing decision at McDonald's. Number 1. Service quality has an effect on purchasing decision on McDonald's during the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 2. Partial promotion no effect on purchase decision on McDonald's during the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 3. Service quality and simultaneous effect promotion on purchasing decision on McDonald's during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Okay, so this is the source for the presentations of our groups.
Thank you so much for your attention. More or less, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ini nggak salah lu, thank you-nya cuma gitu doang. Thank you, I'm sorry, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.